Hey, I'm happy to share this moment with you, and this meditation is one of a few that I want to specifically dedicate to people who begin with meditating. I want to encourage you to commit to doing it daily because you're starting out on a journey that has the potential to be absolutely life-changing. So now, in case you haven't already, get into a comfortable position, preferably sitting upright. If you like, join me in taking 5 deep breaths with little pauses between in and exhaling. Now rest in being and enjoy this moment. How do you feel? Observe yourself without involving your mind's judgment. Just feel into your body. Through meditation, we're allowing ourselves to zoom out of the daily hassles that engulf us and make us unaware of what really matters. Through moments like these, bit by bit, we recognize that we have an unshakable peace within ourselves. We participate in so many games, you could say. We are so multifunctional. And yet, though there might be plenty of things that occasionally make us feel stressed, we act from a place of genuine love. No matter how stressed we are, we see, we perceive this peace within us that is there to stay. When, through taking a step back in moments of awareness like this, we understand that so much of what we've perceived as important is actually superficial, we reorient ourselves to pursuing goals that actually really matter to us. You might say we stop thinking from the mind and its egos and instead listen to our heart, which rests in love and therefore peace and compassion. These are key elements of the beauty of this universe to me. So that's at least how I see it. As you might imagine, this can have quite an impact on our outlook on life and the people and generally the environment we are surrounded by. I wish you all the best. Take care.